The African bush elephant, also known as the African savanna elephant, is the largest living terrestrial animal, with bulls reaching a shoulder height of up to 3.96 m and a body mass of up to 10.4 ton. Scientific name Loxodonta africana. Lifespan 60 to 70 years. Speed 40 km per hour. Diet. Due to their habitat, savanna elephants are often found grazing on grasses, but they also browse on a wide variety of plants and fruits. This selection varies depending on the time of year. During the rainy season, the elephant will feed more on grass than during the dry season. Length. The African bush elephant is the largest land mammal in the world and the largest of the three elephant species. Adults reach up to 24 feet in length and 13 feet in height and weigh up to 11 tons. Habitat. The African bush elephant's habitat is given away by its name in the African bush. This includes savanna grasslands, partial desert areas, and primary forest within Central and Southern Africa. Thank you for watching.